This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Therese DeLuca. This downtown Naples 2-bedroom, plus den with sleeper sofa, 3 full baths is in the mixed-use community of Bayfront. Picture yourself living in this elegant open floor plan with a stunning courtyard and water view. Wood flooring throughout with carpet in the bedrooms and lovely granite countertops. The community offers 2 pools, 2 jacuzzis, tennis, 2 pickleball courts, exercise and community rooms, and gas barbecue grills. Want to socialize? Step downstairs to enjoy one of the 6 restaurants, shops, marina, and plaza. Stroll down to our famed 5th Avenue for more entertainment or catch the sunset at the beach. June 1st to November 15th off-season rate of $4,500 a month. November 15th to Jan 15 season rate of $9,000 a month. Already rented Jan 15 to April 15, 2025. For more information, review the details below.